Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be building a modified version of our LED spotlights using these outdoor rated eagle eye lights that I found on Amazon and some irrigation pipe from my local hardware store. First things first, we're going to drill a small hole in the back portion of the pipe fitting for our mounting hardware. This hole should be big enough to fit a number 8 32nd screw. Once we've got the hole drilled, we can install the rest of the mounting hardware. A 1.5 inch L bracket, a number 8 32nd screw, a wing nut, and a lock washer. From here, we're going to install the LED. The light should slide into the pipe and rest on the lip inside of the pipe fitting. After it's properly seated inside the pipe, I like to apply some superglue to keep it in place. These lights are a tight fit, so you may need to sand either the pipe or the light to get a good snug fit. After that, we're going to use some wire strippers to expose the inner wires, and we'll strip off the sheathing. Small gauge wires don't typically do well in wire strippers, so I like to use a lighter to melt the sheathing and then strip it away with my fingers to expose the bare wire. If you've seen my other videos, you know I'm a fan of these RCA connectors, so I'm going to use them once again for these lights. The red wire goes to the small tab, which connects to the center pin, and the black wire to the longer tab, which connects to the outer ring. If you have any unsoldered wire, cut them off with a pair of nippers like I'm doing here. It's always important to have tidy solder joints to prevent the lights from shorting out. Screw the cover back on and we're ready for paint. These lights are a great option because they're watertight and come pre-diffused so there's no hot spotting. They're also really small and will virtually disappear in most haunt settings. Well, that's going to be it for me. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be alerted the next time I put out a video. Until next time, happy haunting.